Hello everyone, welcome to another session of Ria's Kitchen. So we all crave for pizza, don't we? And if we go outside to buy pizza, it also costs a lot and it will affect our health also. Not that I care much, but I resorted to try pizza at home with the basic ingredients. So let's get started. I hope you also want to try that. And at first we need to prepare the base of the pizza. So let's get started. And for making the base, I have taken here one bowl of all-purpose flour or maida, half bowl of curd. Here I have taken 1 teaspoon salt. Here I have taken 1 teaspoon baking powder and half teaspoon baking soda. Here I have taken oregano, chili flakes, and here I have 1.5 teaspoon of oil. So basically we need to mix all the ingredients and we need to form a soft dough from it. So here I'm adding the flour, the salt, the baking powder and baking soda, and the flakes. Adding of flakes is optional. Okay, and let's add the curd also, and here I'm adding the oil. Now let's mix everything and then we will prepare the dough with lukewarm water. I've mixed everything here. Okay, so I have formed a sticky substance mixing all the ingredients, and now here I have taken 1 cup of lukewarm water. We won't be needing all these, just add a very little amount of it and then knead to form a soft dough. Okay, so I have kneaded the dough. It has become very soft, as you can see, and now I have another bowl with me. Here I will just grease it with oil and then I will transfer the dough into this bowl and I will cover it and I will keep it for fermentation. We need to keep this dough aside for at least 5 to 6 hours. You can keep it overnight so that it ferments very nicely and it will become 1.5 size of 1.5 size multiplied by its original size as it of now. And you can keep it in a warm place. I prefer the top of a refrigerator. You can also keep that, and after 5 to 6 hours we will return and we will prepare the pizza. So let's wait. Okay friends, I'm back. It has been almost 6 hours and here is our dough. So let's uncover it and see, it's totally soft and it has increased in size, and we will just give it a mix like this, a gentle mix. And now the time for the pizza base. Okay, so here I will flatten it to make a round shaped small sized pizza base. So just make it a kind of an oval shape like this. Okay, and here I have taken some flour and for dusting, and so just do it like this. Okay, yeah. And now just press it with it gently to make an round shaped pizza crust. Okay, so our pizza base has been done, not perfectly round, and now we will transfer the base into this microwave safe pizza pan. Okay, so here is our pizza base in a pan, and now we need to prepare the pizza. So for that, here I have taken one tomato sliced like in ring shape, and here one capsicum also in ring shape, one onion into ring shape, cut into ring shape, and here I have taken mozzarella cheese or pizza cheese, and here I have taken a little bit of oil. Here I have taken 1.5 tablespoons of pizza sauce. Here I have taken some oregano and chili flakes. Okay, so let's start right away. We will start by adding the pizza sauce here. Just spread it gently like this, but leave the edges. As you can see, I have left the edges. Don't spread till the edge. If you like more sauce, you can add more. Okay, now we will add some mozzarella cheese like this. Okay, I have spread the cheese, and now we'll add the onions just like this. Well, it's a veg pizza. You can add any the kind of vegetables you want. I'm just adding the basics. Okay, so here goes the tomato, and now the capsicums. And then lastly the onions. Okay, so I've added all the veggies, and you can see I've added some more cheese here because I like cheese. And now here I will add, here I've taken a pinch of salt. If you want, if you don't want, you no need of adding, but okay. So here lastly I'll add just a pinch of oil, and here goes some chili flakes, and some oregano. Alright, that's all. And now we will preheat the oven first at 180 degrees centigrade for 2 minutes in convection mode, and then we will bake the pizza for 20 minutes at the same temperature. Okay, so I'm preheating the micro oven for 2 minutes and 180 degrees centigrade, and then I will add the pizza. So our oven has been preheated. Now I will add the pizza inside it, and once again in the same temperature I will bake it for 20 minutes. Okay, so our baking time is about to end, and yeah, it has ended. Let's take out the pizza now. Okay, it is looking yum. And now I will cut it into 6 halves, and and then after that we will serve it. Okay, so delicious pizza is ready, and I have cut it into 6 halves. And before having one, I will just spread some pizza seasoning. Okay, just see this piece. The you can see like this. Okay, yum. Just like one of those in shops. And all right, so you saw it was very easy to prepare the pizza, and it will taste just like one of those pizza outlets. And to try it in your home, it will taste yum. I'm telling several times, please try. And if you like the video, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, share it with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment sections below if you want to give any feedback or suggestions. Until my next recipe, bye bye.